No, please, question hour is on. You have protested and walked out also.
These genders.
This is not the way. ये नारे रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. ये नारे रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा, ना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में, ना प्रिंट में. Let it be known by one and all, take notice, no slogan will be reported because the chair has not permitted. And members who have walked out also, again coming to the well is not fair. Please, 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 वापस जाइए, please. वापस जाइए, please. What is this? I allowed you to raise the issue. You had your point. Then you protested and walked out. And then again, this is not fair. Question hour should not become a casualty. Question hour is on, please. Question hour is on. Please, please, please go to your seat. Honorable members, 1 minute. 1 minute. Wait. Sanjay ji, 1 second. One second. See, please, no comment on. Should not be made against each other. Please recall, last time because of pandemic, we could not have question hour and we could not have 0 hour. And many people protested against that, wrote articles also, made statements. Now we have question hour. Very important questions have been asked and replies of ministers are giving. Please, this is not fair. It is not going to help you. Neither help the country nor help you also. Please go to your seats. Question hour should not become a casualty. The entire country want the issues to be discussed. Yes, you discuss it tomorrow. आप सेपरेट मान के बोलिए. राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण में सेपरेटली किसान के बारे में आप बोलिए. Please try to understand my predicament. Question hour has been admitted. Questions are asked. Members are giving reply. House is going on peacefully. Please cooperate. ये अच्छा नहीं है. ये परंपरा भी नहीं है. अच्छा नहीं है. Walkout करके फिर हाउस को डिस्टर्ब करना अच्छा नहीं है. Please कृपया. You are all senior members. Please. नहीं. Question hour कितने बजे? Please. This is not going to go on record. Please. Next to 1 hour हो गया. Question hour के बाद कितने बजे? ये तो नारेबाजी नहीं चलेगा. You also know that. I need not say. मंत्री जी, Parliament Affairs.
Sir, I would only like to submit, sir. They have given the
Parliament Affairs Minister.
They have given the notice under 267, and you have given the ruling. And after walking out, coming out and disturbing, they themselves were demanding that there should be question hour, and government has agreed, and question hour is going on. Members are interested in question hours and disturbing like this. Whether they want question hour or not, let them place it on record. And from tomorrow, there will be discussion on Rashtrapati's Thanksgiving motion. Even Rashtrapati ji has mentioned about the farmers.
I understand your concern.
10 hour discussion is there. They don't want to run the house. They want to disturb. This is not fair. And 0 hour also they are not participating. Question hour also they are not participating.
Okay,
it is highly unfair. It is injustice.
I once again appeal to all of you. Please go to your seats. Allow the house to function. Question hour is very important. Some of you said last time not having question hour is murder of democracy. This is the statement made outside. Please understand. The house is adjourned to meet at 10:30.
माननीय सभापति जी माननीय सदस्यगण प्लीज कृपया अपनी अपनी जगह बैठें। कृपया अपनी अपनी जगह बैठें और कोरोना के प्रोटोकॉल का पालन करें। जो लोग वेल में हैं आग्रह है कृपया अपनी जगह जाएं। और आज का बिल द मेजर पोर्ट अथॉरिटीज बिल हम लोग लें 2020 प्लीज। कृपया अपनी जगह जाएं। कृपया अपनी जगह वापस जाएं। कृपया अपनी जगह जाएं। कोई बात रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रही है। कृपया अपनी जगह जाएं। हाउस स्टैंड्स एडजर्न टिल 12:30 PM।
माननीय सभापति जी,
द मेजर पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटीज बिल 2020। माननीय सदस्यगण मेरा आग्रह है कि अपनी अपनी सीट पर बैठे। कल से हम लोग राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण पर चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं। आप कोरोना के प्रोटोकॉल का पालन करिए, अपनी अपनी जगह जाइए। कल से हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे हैं, कोई और चीज रिकॉर्ड पर नहीं जा रही है। माननीय सदस्यगण कृपया अपनी अपनी सीट पर जाएं। The House stands adjourned till 9 AM on Wednesday, the 3rd February 2021.
सदो माननीय सभापति जी,
The Major Port Authorities Bill 2020, Sri Mansukh Mandaviya to move a motion for consideration of the Major Port Authorities Bill 2020. माननीय चेयरमैन साहब ने कहा था कल से बहस शुरू हो रही है, हम लोग उस पर बातचीत कर सकते हैं। माननीय चेयरमैन साहब ना कल से
सर,
मेरा आग्रह होगा संजय जी,
सर पोर्ट सेक्टर
मेरा आग्रह होगा अपनी सीट पर जाएं।
और देश में 7,500 किलोमीटर समुद्र तट,
मेरा आग्रह होगा अपनी सीट पर जाएं।
204
माननीय चेयरमैन साहब ने कहा है कल से राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण पर चर्चा है, आप अपनी सारी बातें रख सकते हैं।
95% कार्गो बाय वॉल्यूम और 70%
हाउस स्टैंड्स एडजर्न टिल 11:30 AM।